everybody. Good morning or good afternoon, whenever you're getting to this. Today, this video is about our Objective 1A in AATH on subsets of complex numbers. So everybody has some familiarity with what's called the number line. And typically we draw that horizontally, but we sure don't have to. And it has these numbers on them. And we have some, like I said, some familiarity with that. In red, I'm going to put a certain set of numbers. Oh, how many numbers are on the number line? Like infinitely many, right? And that's not just because it keeps going. You have these arrows. It's not just because of that, okay? It's also because if you take any small subset of the number line, there's still infinitely many numbers in that subset. So there are infinitely many numbers even in a small section of the number line. Now in red, I'm going to put on a certain set of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keeps going, and then there'd be 1,000, right? And it keeps going some more. This set of numbers is called natural numbers. And they're like your counting numbers. Okay. Now, if you were to add in blue one additional number, the number 0, and also all of these numbers, okay, so add those numbers too, that set of numbers is called whole numbers. And whole numbers are 0 and then also the natural numbers. So if you take a look at what's both red and blue, that would make like purple and primary colors, right? That is your natural numbers. So natural numbers are included in whole numbers. Now I'm actually going to change my pen to purple and put on a different vocabulary word of numbers. So I'm going to change my pen to purple. And I'm going to put on that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 up to 1,000, keep going, dot, dot, dot. That's our whole numbers. And also their opposites. This is called integers. So integers include whole numbers and also natural numbers, because integers are basically whole numbers and then also their opposites. Now, if I just erase that for now, those numbers from the number line for now, if you consider the entire number line, all of it, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, and all the numbers in between. For example, the number square root 2, or the number square root 8, or the number pi, or the number 4.1202, or the number negative 1.5, or the number negative 9/2. So all of the natural numbers, the whole numbers, the integers, and in addition, the infinitely many numbers in between any two of those consecutive those numbers, that is called real numbers. In fact, this is called the real number line because it contains all of the real numbers. Now, real numbers actually come in two flavors. Only two flavors: rational and irrational. Rational numbers are numbers that can be written as a ratio of two integers. So the numbers that are up there that are irrational are negative 1.5, or I mean that are rational are negative 1.5 because it can be written as negative 3/2. Negative 9/2 is obviously a ratio of integers. In addition, that 4.1202